Good morning. Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Kind of a mixed trade overnight. We've got beans up anywhere from 7 to 9 cents. Meal gaining on soybean oil, corn about unchanged, and wheat up about a penny. The rally in beans overnight linked somewhat to the fact that we might have a little bit wetter forecast here in the United States. Might be a little bit drier forecast for South America, especially Argentina. We also note that the fact that the Argentina farmer is not selling, the fact that there's some Brazil logistic problems is increasing interest for U.S. meal exports, especially into Europe. That could raise our nearby crush and help the bean market. It also could hurt the oil market by raising oil stocks. Overnight, we saw a private estimate, one of the first ones for the October 11th USDA crop report. They left the bean crop unchanged from USDA's September number. Some lower yields in the West was offset by higher yields in the East. That surprised the market and could have also offered some support to the beans overnight. In corn, they raised the yield to almost 3 bushels per acre, and the crop is now over 14 billion bushels. They pretty much raised yields all across the Midwest, and that's what we're hearing. The issue, though, is acres. They left acres unchanged from the USDA September numbers. Some people think the acres could be down as much as 1.5 million because of FSA numbers, and also because of the fact that there was a wet spring, and so maybe farmers didn't get all the acres planted. It's day 2 of the partial government shutdown. The impact on agriculture is a lack of flow of information out of Washington and the USDA. That may offer more uncertainty to like the livestock contracts, especially the hog futures index, and a lot of that index gets information that flows into the U.S. To the CME from the USDA, and that flow of information has stopped for now. Other than that, we might not get any export sales this week, and we'll be watching pretty closely because they're still, or would still be collecting data for the October 11th crop report right now, and not for sure if they have enough data to put the report out, depending upon how long this shutdown lasts. So it looks like a little bit of bounce in the beans, corn unchanged. Wheat continues to see a higher move, although we're up against some pretty strong resistance levels. We continue to see Kansas City gain on both Chicago and Minneapolis. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.